What is up, chefs, foodies, and students? Welcome to Everybody Knows. I'm Anders. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started. Today we are talking about smoked paprika. Yum! This ingredient originally comes from central Spain and is about one of the most wonderful spices on the planet. It is currently well known in cuisines from Europe, the Mediterranean, and the Americas, but if you're investigating origins and cultures, be sure to research the time period as well, since many foods are brought to cultures from elsewhere or developed over time. So, smoked paprika, from the beginning, begins as red peppers that can be used in a variety of combinations of types of pepper, depending on what the grower or producer wants to do. And then those peppers are dried and smoked. And so we end up with this beautiful, sort of intense brick color, or even towards reddish color, a chili powder that has an aroma that is just really unlike anything else. If you haven't been using it enough, and shame on you, then it might have faded in color or intensity. And so double check and make sure it smells nice and strong and that the color is nice and vibrant. When smelling it, we're getting a perfect match of dried chili and smokiness. Those two aromas are playing beautifully, intermingling right about 50-50. It's just such a nice, dark, rich, spicy smell. Let's have a quick look at the universal aroma wheel. On this version of the wheel, we'll be looking into the spicy main category and into the chili subcategory. When we look further, we see that chili breaks down into smoky and fruity, and within smoky we see smoked paprika / pimentón. It's the first ingredient on this edge of the spicy category, and it borders with the woody category within the burned and smoky subcategories. So I feel like that's a pretty appropriate transition. And then we go into another smoked chili, chipotle, and into the fruity chilies. So I feel like that is all pretty copacetic. If you disagree, I'd really like to hear about it. Otherwise, that's sort of how we would describe smoked paprika, as a smoky, chili, spicy aroma. Let's have a quick look at the flavor Bible. All right, for smoked paprika, it suggests the following to pair with this ingredient: eggs, garlic, legumes, olive oil, potatoes, sauces, soups, seitan, sausage, sour cream, Spanish cuisine, tomatoes, and yogurt. That all sounds pretty good. Oh man, a smoked paprika yogurt dipping sauce? That sounds so freaking good. So I would say this is a good, strong ingredient. It's a nice, dark, earthy, spicy, smoky addition to anything that's hearty. It would be a nice contrast to anything sharp. I would say put this in at any point in your cooking process. The earlier you put it in, the more it will infuse. And that about wraps it up. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to think about pimentón or smoked paprika as you cook or as you eat, as well as the words that we use to describe it. Have you used this ingredient successfully, or in a way that you were like, yeah, that was so good? I want to know about it. Tell me what you made. Do you like this aroma? Why or why not? And do you agree or disagree with what I've shared with you today? Go ahead and throw those answers down in the comments. I would love to read them. I hope this video made sense and got you thinking about the aroma of smoked paprika or pimentón. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to help me get an ingredient to feature in a video, please send me an email or a private message. If you would like to join the food aroma nerdery, go ahead and subscribe and you'll see all my latest vids. And if you would like to buy either a large poster or digital copy of the aroma wheel that I've built, go ahead and take a look in the description for links. Thanks so much. Bye.